Hi, I'm Ava Fesperman with the Missy Stagers team at M. Stagers Realty Partners. What we're going to talk about today, the Texas Real Estate Commission. I don't know if you saw that email come through, but there's some questions that the Broker Lawyer Committee is asking us to comment on. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a link below for you to be able to click on and look at those questions that they would like feedback from you. Also remember, you can always sit in one of their committee meetings. Their next one, I believe, is going to be in Dallas. And you do get 4 hours of continuing education, and you get a lot of education other than that. So please take the time to click the link below and take a look at those questions. There are a couple of other ones that they're looking for feedback on, and always remember to check that website because it's very important as realtors that we go and see what the changes are, see what they want to do, and they do value our opinion. Again, this is Ava with M. Stagers Realty Partners. If you ever have any questions, give us a call, 210-324-7629, and we look forward to seeing you next time.